On this episode of random things you need to do when you own multiple cars is one of these. So I'm going to show you my preferred way of how to clean K&N filters. And this one, as you can see, yeah, it's seen some use. That's more from my Subaru, and yeah, it's one of them. And I do have the old kit, but degreasers run out of that one, so it's just for oil. I bought a new kit, and considering these are only 13 something pound from your local Whole Foods, that's probably the best option, because you can use normal degreaser, get rid of all the grime and stuff like that, or you can use what's essentially very liquid soap with decent warm water and go from there. But that's my preferred option, this stuff. Yeah, because it doesn't cost you much and it lasts you quite a few filters. So let's get this one off and then go from there. Well, technically speaking, with this one I could just leave it on there and just, you know, dump it, but I think the better way is to actually do it. When you look inside this one, it doesn't actually look that bad, but outside it's obviously, because this on Subaru, this one's exposed to all the elements, it looks like that. As for the kit, you got two bottles here. Oh, that's new. Cleaning date, mileage. This is the one you're going to be using. The cleaner, you just spray it on and then apply oil. And make sure you don't do too much oil in these, because it kills maths. That's a big bit on that one. Well, with this one here, it's simple enough. What I like to do is squirt some inside and pop it up, and then squirt good amount everywhere, especially its filters like this. Just make sure it covers most of it. Then I would let it sit for a minute, well, for a few minutes actually, and then essentially dump it in lukewarm water. And I'm doing it here because it runs down and rocks, doesn't make a mess. How about that? Right, now what we're going to do, we're going to talk about my Hondas. No, just kidding. Still got the Hondas hidden away. Both for sale if somebody wants them still, because I haven't figured out what I'm doing with them. And now, wait 5 minutes or so, and then we're going to start dumping them in the water. Alright, so it's been sat for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it has changed the colour already, just from the degreaser. And my favourite way of doing it is just dunk it in, wash it all out, just like this. And this removes most of the stuff out. Some people like to rinse it with a hose and stuff like that, but I don't think it's really necessary. As long as the degreaser is good enough, it'll do the job. As you can see, in the grooves and everything, most of the stuff is gone. But I'm just going to carry on. Probably going to spread some of these out and then get excess stuff out. Go from there. Oh yeah, and another good trick I like to do is this. As you can see, just push it down and the water gets pushed out everywhere. I mean, splatters everywhere and shit like that, but if you're not too bothered about making a bit of mess, it's good. And this is what we're left with. Probably give it another go with a spray, leave it on again, and then just dry it. Okay, once that process is done, what you want to do, give it a bit of a brush, get out all the stuff that hasn't come out, and you'll see little bits and bobs around the edges and stuff like that. That won't come out. This one will do it, and you can see it's got some dirt on it. So that's what we're doing. Now, as you can see, That's what's still in there. That's what it's looking like. So that's the inside, that's outside. So it's not far off. So what I'm going to do, stick it out in the sun, get it to dry, and mist it with some oil. Alright, now let's go do something else for a couple of hours and come back to this. Alright, so this is what we got. It's now evening, and what we're going to do, we're going to do filter oil. On this one it doesn't matter because cars are running mufflers, so you know, but this is more for protection against water and stuff like that. And that is it. Now my filter is good to go for another few thousand miles. Right, guys, if you like this sort of thing and if you want to check out our build, make sure you subscribe, leave us a comment and all that good stuff. See you guys on the next one. Ciao.